Hey LeetCode fam, welcome back. And in today's video, let's go over binary tree level order traversal. And believe me when I tell this, but level order traversal is a very clutch way to traverse the tree. And if you know level order traversal, you can solve many problems regarding to trees. So believe me when I tell it, this is one of the most important ways to traverse a tree. So what we have to do? Just we can read the problem statement and understand what level order traversal means. It is just traversing the nodes from left to right, level by level. So 3, 9, 20, 5, 7. If you add any tree you take, you have to go level by level and just traverse it. And yeah, the question is pretty simple and straightforward. And rather than wasting any kind of time, let's directly jump right into it. So one thing which is a prerequisite for this is knowing what is a DQ. A DQ or double-ended queue is a type of queue in which we can put elements from one side and pop elements from the other side. You can only in Python itself we can directly use arrays and pop the zeroth element, but it is not that efficient when you consider a very big tree. So let's do it as it was intended to using dq. So let's declare a queue in the form of dq. And what should it contain first? We'll put the root over here. So now what? We should have an array of answers. So array is empty and for, and then what we have to do? So first what we have to do is we have to pop the top of the queue, and after popping the top of the queue we directly check if the queue has a left child, then first add the left child, and then if queue has the right child, then add the right child, and go on doing this process till our queue becomes empty. And after, when the queue becomes empty, if we have stored the elements, then that will be the level order traversal. So let's go through it. What we have to do? We have to traverse the queue while the queue exists, or pop elements from the queue while the queue exists. While queue exists, and we should not randomly pop, but we have to go through every element in the queue. So how? You can use a for loop for that. Yeah, node equals dot pop. Yep, pop from the left side and check if node dot left exists. If it exists, then what we have to do is simple. Q dot append node dot left. And if right exists, then yeah. And this is actually the complete algorithm for level order traversal. Now what we have to do is we have to collect the elements and put it in the array. So let's do that. So let's declare a temp array over here, and if the node exists, then what we have to do? Just check out how they are defined over here. And over here the definition of tree node is self.value, not self.data. So be careful about that. It's self.val, and after each iteration just append the temp value to the array. And yeah, theoretically it should work. So let me just check it out once. Okay, the error is when there is no root, so let's just take care of that. We have to return nothing. Spelling is important and English is hard. RETURN, nothing. Yes, yeah, all the given test cases pass. And on submission, yeah, it's very fast and efficient, mainly because it is really straightforward and there is nothing else to do over here. I think we can even remove this also because the check is already done over here. And yes, the code works. And yeah, good luck, happy learning.